Hey everyone, it's GreenWaifu here, and today I'm super excited to take you on a journey through my morning routine, the Millionaire morning routine that has truly transformed my life. If you've ever wondered how successful people kickstart their days, you're in the right place. I'm going to share 7 powerful habits that not only boost my productivity, but have also significantly increased my net worth. So, grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's dive in. Let's start with the first habit, waking up early. Now, I know what you might be thinking. GreenWaifu, I'm not a morning person. But trust me, waking up early is one of the best decisions I've made. I typically rise around 5:30 a.m., and let me tell you, those quiet hours are pure gold. The world is still asleep, and it feels like I have this magical time all to myself. I can focus on my goals without distractions. To make this easier, I recommend adjusting your bedtime gradually. If you're used to waking up at 7 a.m., try setting your alarm for 6:45 a.m. for a few days, then 6:30 a.m., and so on. This way, you won't feel overwhelmed, and before you know it, you'll be up with the sun. Once I'm up, I jump straight into my morning exercise routine. I can't stress enough how important this is. Whether it's a quick workout, yoga, or even a brisk walk, moving my body gets my blood pumping and my mind alert. I love to mix it up. Sometimes I'll do a high-intensity interval training session, and other days I'll just enjoy a peaceful yoga flow. Exercise not only boosts my energy levels, but also helps me clear my mind. I often think about my goals and visualize what I want to achieve while I'm working out. It sets a positive tone for the rest of my day. Plus, it's a great way to practice self-care and show my body some love. After my workout, I make sure to hydrate. I fill up my favorite water bottle and add a slice of lemon for a refreshing twist. Hydration is key, especially after sweating it out. While I sip my water, I take a few moments to practice gratitude. I grab my journal and jot down 3 things I'm grateful for. This simple act shifts my mindset from any negativity to positivity, and it's a fantastic way to start the day with a grateful heart. Now, let's talk about the next habit, planning my day. I spend about 10 to 15 minutes reviewing my goals and tasks for the day. I have a planner where I write down my top 3 priorities. These are the tasks that will move me closer to my financial goals. It could be anything from researching investment opportunities to brainstorming content ideas for my channel. I've learned that having a clear plan helps me stay focused and prevents me from getting sidetracked by less important tasks. Plus, there's something incredibly satisfying about crossing things off my to-do list. Now, here's where things get interesting. After planning, I dive into my favorite part of the morning, creative work. Whether it's filming a new video, writing a blog post, or working on my side hustle, this is when I feel the most inspired. I find that my creativity flows best in the morning, so I make it a point to tackle my most important projects during this time. For example, when I was working on my last video about budgeting tips, I set aside a solid hour to brainstorm and outline my ideas. I turned off all distractions, put my phone on silent, and just focused. It was amazing how much I accomplished in that short amount of time. Once I've made some progress on my projects, it's time for a healthy breakfast. I love to whip up a smoothie packed with fruits, spinach, and protein. It's quick, nutritious, and keeps me energized throughout the morning. Eating right fuels my body and brain, and I've noticed that when I have a healthy breakfast, I'm more productive and focused. After breakfast, I take a moment to connect with others. Networking is an essential part of building wealth, and I make it a point to reach out to someone each morning. This could be a quick message to a fellow entrepreneur, a comment on a friend's post, or even a phone call to a mentor. Building relationships is key in the finance world, and you never know where a simple conversation might lead. Now, let's not forget about self-reflection. I dedicate a few minutes to meditate or simply sit in silence. This helps me clear my mind and focus on my intentions for the day. I visualize my goals and remind myself of my why. Why am I working so hard? What do I want to achieve? This practice keeps me grounded and motivated. As I wrap up my morning routine, I feel a sense of accomplishment and readiness to tackle the day ahead. Each of these habits plays a crucial role in my success, and I encourage you to try them out for yourself. Remember, it's all about consistency. You don't have to do everything perfectly right away. Start small, pick 1 or 2 habits to incorporate into your morning, and gradually build from there. The key is to find what works best for you and tailor your routine to fit your lifestyle. So, to recap, here are the 7 habits that have boosted my net worth and transformed my mornings. 1. Waking up early to seize the day. 2. Exercising to energize my body and mind. 3. Hydrating and practicing gratitude to set a positive tone. 4. Planning my day to stay focused on my goals. 5. Engaging in creative work when my mind is fresh. 6. Eating a healthy breakfast to fuel my productivity. 7. Connecting with others and reflecting on my intentions. I hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, the road to financial success starts with how you begin your day. By implementing these millionaire morning habits, you're not just setting yourself up for a productive day, you're also cultivating a millionaire mindset that will serve you well in all areas of your life. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my future content. Let's continue this journey together. And remember, every day is a new opportunity to grow and succeed. Until next time, keep shining and stay fabulous.